Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you an easy way to remove a background from quite a detailed image. Now, I've deliberately chosen an image with these fine leaves, and what I want to try and do is remove the background as best I can, just so that I'm finished with a good result. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at channels. So I'm going to go to my channels window. It is situated here, but if you ever can't find a window, it's always window, channels. And when I open up these channels, what I'm going to do is duplicate this bottom layer here, the blue one, just by clicking and dragging it to the plus sign, which will duplicate it like so. Now what I need to do is get up my levels options for this particular layer. There is a keyboard shortcut for that. For Mac users, it's Command L. For Windows users, it's Control L, like so. And what I'm now going to do is manipulate the black options here. Let's put them about there, let's say. Get those white options and really get like a real clean looking feel to it, like so. Maybe bring that a little bit over here, maybe. And press OK. Now, you see this little option here at the bottom? This will allow us to select that selection. And what I'm now going to do is remove that bottom layer. Now, if I go to my layers, what I now need to do is send the selection the other way. It's very easy for you to do that. If you go to select, inverse. And now what I'm going to do is apply a layer mask to this layer, like so. Look at the end result, very impressive. And obviously with the layer mask, seeing as working non-destructively, we can remove and bring back some elements. So this element here I want to remove. So I'm just going to use a brush. Let's make sure that we're using a correct type of brush here. Let's go for hard round. Let's bring the size of that down there. Using our keyboard shortcut, the brackets located next to P. And you saw there, here, use the color black. Just come through and remove that option there. Maybe a little bit in here you may want to bring through. So I'm just going to lessen that brush a little bit more using those brackets. And we're going to use the color white now, just to bring back these elements here, like so. Be very careful. Obviously, we don't include any of the background. Touch that up there as well a little bit. Nice. I can see a little bit of extra bit here. So let me just increase that brush size again, using the brackets located next to P. Make it larger. Make sure we're using the color black to remove, and just remove this section here. As you can see, guys, we've got a real clean effect and a really clean result. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.